Good evening, friends. Please subscribe my Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram channel and type in the search box target for Grand League. My channel will be there. So please subscribe my channel so that you will get any stats and if the lineup will change. And the last match will be AMD with CYM. So let's check the stats of the wicketkeepers. Judge Server is an excellent player. He will open the innings for one down. He has scored very well in today's match also. So please go with him. And A Chakraborty is not at all considering any runs. He is a wicket-keeper only. If you want to take him as a player, so you go through with him. P. Diol is a very excellent batsman. He is lowest percentage selected by everyone, but he is an excellent player. He scored very well in two matches, 31 and 33, and he will be He will come as a one down player or two down player. And we will see the batsmen. C. Sadhuvan will be opening the innings, but in the previous matches he didn't came as opener. He came as a three down batsman. He is a good attacking batsman. If you want to take with him, you can go with him. And M Khan is a very good player and experienced player. In previous matches he has bowled and he has taken 2 wickets. If you want to go with him, you can go with him as a vice captain. Don't miss him because he is a very important player. As Patnaik is a very attacking batsman, he can score very big runs because he is the important player from AMD. He can score very good runs in the power play also. So go through with him. And as Pangal is a very good bowler, he will not bat, but he is a good bowler. If he is there in this match, please consider him because he is a very good important player. Sisha is a very good batsman. 9 matches, 213 runs. Very good attacking batsman also. He is there in the previous match, but he didn't score because he was ducked by the bowler. So if he is there in this match, so please go through with him because AMD batting lineup is very weak. So that Sisha we can score very good runs. There is a chance. And M. Hussain is the CY captain. He is a very good punk for Grand League and Mini Leagues. He is a good experienced player. He can also bowl 2 hours or 1 hour. 1 hour. So please go through with him. And S. Chauhan is a very good hitter and good batsman also. He is selected by very lowest percentage, but he is a good player. He can bowl 2 hours and he will come as an opener or one down. He can score very well runs. So please go through with him in Grand League also. So let's we see all rounders. It's Tadane is a very good all rounder and a very good bat bowler. He will not consider any runs by bat, but he can take wickets. He is an important player, but in this tournament he didn't perform very well. So if you want to go through with him, you can take him in your team. G Singh is a very good attacking batsman because he is a very important player because he will consider with bat and ball because he is a good all rounder. Please don't leave him in any team. And M. Ranmikala is a very good player. He will bat as a three down and he will bowl 1 or 2 hours if he is there. So please go through with him also. G. Sharma is a very good player because he came today only. In the previous match he didn't bat, but in this match he can bat and he can bowl. He is a very good experienced player, so don't leave him in any leagues. G. Sangwan is a very good bowler and he will bat. He will come as a two down or three down batting. AMD, as I said, AMD has a weakest batting lineup, so please remember that he is an important player, so he will consider some runs with bat also. So go through with him. A. Srinivastava he played very well in the first day, but he didn't play very well in 2 days, previous 2 days. But he can score and he can bowl also, but he is not at all doing. But don't miss him that he is not playing. But please go through with him so that he can consider with with runs and ball, and we can take some wickets also. And L Singh also a good bowler. He can take some crucial wickets in middle order or depth overs. So go through with him also. And R Polori, as I said, he will only bat because he will not get any bowling option. And M Alanki will not bat, but he will bowl. So please go through with him. Now we will see the bowlers. V Kadur is an important bowler in the AMD because he will consider with bat and ball also. He is an all rounder, but he is there in bowlers, but he will play with bat and crucial role in AMD. And Vilokish Sharma is a very good spinner. If he is there in this match, please take him because he will also take some wickets so that your team will be some profit. And next R Kumar. R Kumar is a very main player in CYM. He will bowl 2 overs and he came as batsman at fourth down. But he will take some crucial wickets. But in previous 2 matches he didn't take any wickets. But don't leave him because he is a good bowler. Yamin also a very good player, but he didn't played with previous matches. If he is there in this match, please go through with him because he is an excellent bowler. He will take some crucial wickets. A Pass Roy also very good bowler. In previous match only he took 3 wickets and very good player also. Next G Singh is a very good bowler, but if he is there you can go with him. But CYM has a good bowling options, so maybe he will bowl 1 over only. Wakar Ali is an important player from CYM because he will bowl 2 overs and he will bat also. So don't leave him. If you have a choice, go through with him as a captain or vice captain. And K Razia will bowl only 1 over. As I said, CYM have some bowling unit, so he may bowl 1 over only. If you want to go, you can go with him. And R Kajilwal also very good player. Please go through with him. He is a very excellent wicket taker also. And now I will show you the important players from AMD and CYM, and I will tell you the captain and vice captain choices also. We will see first of all CYM best players. Jet Server, as I said, one down player and he can bat very well. M Khan, experienced player and he can bowl. M Hussain also can bowl and with bat. Gursawak Singh is an opening batsman and he will score very good runs and he will take crucial wickets. R Kumar is a good bowler and he will also play some vital role. And captain and vice captain choices are Gursawak Singh and R Kumar and M Anand. Now we will see the stats of AMD players. PDO, as I said, he is selected by lowest percentage, but he can bat very well. He can get some runs. As Patnaik, as I said, he is an opening batsman, so that he can get also scores. Thadani, he can bat, but he can take some wickets. V Kanduri, important player. V Sharma also important player. Captain and vice captain choices from AMD is H Thadani, V Kanduri, as Patnaik. And please try to understand that don't play head to head matches because you will not get any profit in head to head matches because opponent team will be there will be a change as one player or two players, so that you may lose head to head matches, but play grand league matches only, so that you can at least get your money back also if the team is very good, so that the team will get some enough money and profit, so that you can see some profit also. And please, in this European League will play only Grand Leagues only in European tournament, and play some fantasy apps like Ballebaji and Player Spot also. And if there is any changes in this match, so that please subscribe my Telegram channel, so that I can give some important stats and some player stats, so that you can earn some money. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Thank you.